Welcome to this lesson on solutions to differential equations. In this video, we will focus specifically on understanding what it means for a function to satisfy a differential equation and how we can verify these solutions. First, let us define what we are dealing with. A differential equation is simply an equation that involves an unknown function and one or more of its derivatives. It relates a function, which often represents a physical quantity, to its rate of change. So, what is a solution? In algebra, when we solve for x, we look for a number. In differential equations, we are looking for a function. A solution is any function that, when substituted into the equation, makes the left-hand side equal to the right-hand side. To verify if a function is a solution, follow these 4 simple steps. First, identify the function. Second, calculate the necessary derivatives. Third, substitute them into the original equation. And finally, simplify to see if the equation holds true. Let's look at a basic example. We have the equation y prime equals 2 times x. Our candidate function is y equals x squared plus 5. We take the derivative of our function, which is 2x substituted back into the equation. We get 2x equals 2x. It matches perfectly, so it is a valid solution. Here is a second-order example involving trigonometry. We need to check if y equals 3 sine of 2x satisfies y double prime plus 4y equals 0. After finding the first and second derivatives, we substitute them in. The terms cancel out perfectly to give 0, confirming it is a solution. It is important to distinguish between general and particular solutions. A general solution includes an arbitrary constant, c, and represents an entire family of curves. A particular solution has a specific value for c, representing just one specific curve from that family. To find that specific constant, we use an initial value problem, or IVP. This provides a specific point that the curve must pass through. For example, if we know that y is 3 when x is 0, we can solve for c to find the exact particular solution. Not every function will work, of course. Here, we check if y equals x squared is a solution to y prime equals y. The derivative is 2x, but the function is x squared. Since 2x is not equal to x squared for all x, this function is not a solution. To summarize, a solution is a function that satisfies the differential equation. You can verify this by differentiating and substituting. Remember the difference between the general family of solutions and a particular solution derived from initial values.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.